Hey guys, this is Marcus Eats here, and today we have another collaboration. This time it's with Seoulful Eats and family. Oh man, Seoulful Eats, yeah, her and her family do YouTube together. They're so funny. They eat a lot of good food. Uh, they just have a lot of fun over there. So if you can, go check out Soulful Eats and Family. I'll have their link down in my description box. So yeah, today we decided to have lasagna, and I just have a salad also because you can't have, one without the other. You can, but yeah, I got ranch. It's gotta be Hidden Valley Ranch. And I got I put some cheese. I put some cheese already, some extra Parmesan. Putting some pepper flakes. Say when. Also got some Tabasco. This is the way I like it, guys. And for my salad, I just have a salad mix in that big old bag, Some grape tomatoes left over from that 40 grape tomato challenge from Ginger Snap 44. And some olives, green olives. So, and of course, Coke Zero is always on deck. Let's start eating because I'm hungry. I haven't had lasagna in so long. First bite. Mm. Mm. It's good. If you go over to if you watch any of Soulful Eats' videos, she has the best intro. Why don't you guys take a look at it, like right now?
In the morning, talk to God, what he say? He said, blessing, blessing, blessings coming my way, and I say thank you. Thank you.
For me, in my mind, I can't just put salt on here and eat it, so. Although I do wish I had some tequila. Okay, let's dig in.
Go. Wait, stop now. Pause. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. So guess what, guys? It is my 100 mukbang upload video. Woo! I didn't think I would make 100 videos. I swear I did not. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
So many ice creams, Daria.
Cute little song, huh? Guess what? I didn't forget my napkins this time. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. They're so good. This is ground beef and Italian sausage lasagna from Costco. Mm. If you haven't tried it, oh, you gotta try it. Mm. Thank you, Soulful Eats and family, for collabing with me. Mm. They'll probably make a homemade lasagna because they really know how to cook over there. Guess what time it is? Cook zero time. Yeah, buddy. Damn. Whoa. I really need to stop doing that. Mm. Mm. Wow. So yeah, guys, go check out Soulful Eats. I'm gonna leave her link down in my description box. That's one cool family over there. Mm. Wow. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Who else loves green olives in their salad? So good. Oh, that's good. We always used to make our lasagna homemade, buy the noodles and stuff. Make it, um, you know, with ground beef and ricotta cheese. But after we found this at Costco, I was like, oh my gosh, it's so good, guys. Ginger, I'm using fork, Just kidding. I'm part of the No Chopstick Skills Club. I thought about having bread with this meal, but I was like, I would get full too quick and not be able to finish my food. I just felt a piece of lettuce and drop down. Yeah, buddy. Thank you, Soulful Eats and family, for collabing with me. This was so much fun and delicious. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day. And most importantly, peace.